you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your game's performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Overwatch 2 and navigate to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and effects. Reducing these settings can help increase frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other software that can affect game performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to disable visual effects that may slow down your system. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Ensure your hardware meets the game's requirements. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures and usage while playing. If your hardware is overheating or being maxed out, consider cleaning your system or upgrading components for better performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.